Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and of course I'm going to show you in today's guide how you can actually go about adding your fingerprint to the S24. Now of course, as you can see, this device is already set up and running, so I'm going to show you how to go about adding a fingerprint. All right, so this device has a under-screen fingerprint sensor. So to activate it, you're going to go to settings. Once you're in settings, as you can see here, guys, you're going to scroll down. You're going to search for security and privacy. All right. And as you can see here, this is the information based on your security and privacy. All right, from here, we're going to go to lock screen. And of course, it's going to ask for your existing password. Depending on the situation, you may not have a password in, so I'm going to do that right now. All right, so once I place the password in, it will ask you which security type you want to use. Currently, I'm using password. According to this, it says password is very high security, and that's the current lock type. All right, so I'm going to use the fingerprint scanner. All right, so you notice down here you have face recognition as well as fingerprints. All right, so I'm going to add a fingerprint. All right, and there you go. Basically, it says fingerprints, and it gives you the information here. You're going to hit continue. And here it shows you. It says fill the entire circle. All right, so we're going to register, and here we go. And of course, I have a glass screen protector on, and try to hold the phone as you would normally do. All right, so as you can see, it's been added, and of course, I'm going to hit done. And notice now it says here that I have fingerprint one. All right, so what we're going to do from here is we're going to go ahead and test it out. Here's the device. Notice the fingerprint symbol is right there. All right, so all I've got to do is press, and there you go. The device easily unlocks with the fingerprint. All right, so that's how to add the fingerprint to your device. Do hope this was useful. And as always, guys, remember this will apply across even the S25 and so on. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.